Hey Shopify store owners, want a killer-looking store? Let's customize your trade theme fast. First, head to your Shopify admin dashboard. Click Online Store, then Customize next to your active trade theme. Welcome to the theme editor. Here, you can tweak your store's look and feel. Start with theme settings for global changes like colors, fonts, social media links, and checkout options. Next, dive into sections for your homepage, product pages, and more. Add, remove, reorder, and configure sections to display content like banners, product galleries, and testimonials. Want more control? Each section has its own settings. For example, in the Featured Products section, choose which products to show, layout, and button styles. Customize product pages by adjusting images, descriptions, prices, and the Add to Cart button. Explore unique trade theme features for wholesale or B2B, including bulk ordering and pricing visibility. Always preview changes on desktop and mobile to ensure a flawless experience across all devices. Save, publish, and watch your store shine.